Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, I am your grade 3 social teacher. Now let us start our new block. We have completed 4th block. We will now start the 6th block, occupations. What are the occupations? What is the meaning of occupation? There are many different types of ways in which people earn their living. Means earn money. By doing some jobs they will earn money, no? That is called occupation. Yes, let us find it out. Other different ways of occupation. Now what is the first occupation? It is growing crops. Who will grow the crops? Farmer, right? Farmer will grow the crops. Now in this today topic we'll read more growing crops in detail. So open your reader, that is your Exceed content book, page number 39. Yes children, this is your social science reader, that is your content book. Open page number 39. See children, this is the block 6, occupation. Yes, let's read the first topic. There is a first topic is growing crops. In growing crops we have small story about a farmer's life. A farmer's life. Raghu is a farmer. He grows crops in his field. He grows some fruits and vegetables as well. He plugs the land, sows the seeds, waters the field and reaps the harvest. He mostly uses bullock carts to plug the land. At times, he borrows a tractor from his friend for plucking. He works every day, even if it is too hot, too cold or raining. He waters the field using rainwater or gets water from the well, canals and tube wells. Too much water or too less water harms his crops. He does not have enough money, hence he has to borrow money to buy seeds. He sells his crops in the market and earns money. We buy these crops for food. So this is the life of a farmer. Who is the farmer? Who is Raghu? Raghu is a farmer. What does he grow? He grows fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, etc. Farmer, who is farmer? Raghu. No, Raghu is working very hard to grow the crops like fruits and vegetables. Like how he's sowing the seeds, he's plucking the land and borrowing a tractor from his friend for plucking, and even he's working every day. Even it is too hot, too cold or it's raining, he is working very hard. He don't have enough money to buy the seeds also to grow the crops. So he's taking money from other persons and he's buying the seeds and growing the crops and earning the money. Because farming is very important children. It is a very important job, because if farmers are not there we won't get our food. So farmers is a important occupation. Okay children? Yes children, we have read the farmer story, Raghu story, right? Raghu was a farmer. Now what do farmers do? What does farmers do? A farmer grows crops like pulses, grains, fruits and vegetables. What does farmer do? He grows crops like pulses, grains, fruits and vegetables. And how does farming help farmers? How does they help? They use bullock carts to plug the land, and they have to depend on the rain children. Yes, Raghu have been depend on the rain, right? There will be no water, so he have to depend on rain. Like that, he has to depend on rain to have a good harvest. If what happens if farmer cannot have a good harvest? If farmer is unable to have a good harvest, he won't able to earn money. By growing crops only, pulses, grains, fruits and vegetables only, he can sell this in the market and then he can earn money. If the good harvest is not there, if the rains are not there, what happens to him? He can't grow the crops and he doesn't earn any money for his living. Where it is possible to grow the crops children? In villages where there is a large open place, they can grow the crops there. Where it is not possible to grow the crops, where there is no large place or there is a dry and infertility of soil, there we can't grow the crops. Mostly we grow the crops in villages only. Yes, we get food from the villages only. They will come to our market so that we will buy the food and everything, pulses, grains, fruits and vegetables. Okay children, I hope you understood the topic growing crops. Now everyone open your reader, page number 40. Did you all open page number 40 in your reader? Let's read the topic importance of growing crops. Where does the roti or bread that you eat come from? Yes, you will eat roti and bread, right? From where does it comes? It comes from wheat, which is made into flour. Wheat is grown, children. Wheat is grown like a crop, and they'll remove that wheat and made it into flour. If this flour is will make flour for roti and bread. This flour is made into roti or bread. Do you know where this wheat come from? Yes, it comes from the field. Like this field only it comes from. See farmers growing vegetables, like how vegetables are growing, the farmers grow the wheat also. Farmers grow it in the field. Most farmers live in villages because villages have large open fields where farming is possible. In villages only farming is possible, so mostly farmers live in the villages. Farmers grow different types of crops such as rice, wheat, cotton, jute, fruits and vegetables. They plug the land, sow the seeds and take care of the crop till it ready for harvest. After the crop is harvested, it is sent to the mills. From the mills, it goes to the shops where we buy food, grains. Yes, what they will do first, they will take the seeds, they will plug the seeds in the land, and afterward sow the seeds in the land, and they'll take care of the crops till we do the harvest. See how they're plugging. A farmer is plucking land. How is plucking? See, and the farmers growing vegetables. After this growing, they will remove it. They will harvest it. After harvesting, they'll send to the mills, and after mills, it comes for the shops where we buy. The work of a farmer is very important, because if he do not grow crops, we will not get the crops, fruits and vegetables to eat. If farmer is not there, we can't eat any food. So farmer job is very important. We would not even have clothes made up of cotton to wear. Cotton also, it is important. Cotton is also important, which is growing from the plant here only. They will grow the cotton also. So even if the farmers are not there, cotton will also be not there. You don't use the cotton clothes also. Okay children, now open your workbook. Now everyone open your workbook, page number 34. Volume 1 workbook, page number 34. You can see here block 6, occupation. Turn the next page, 34. Our topic is S1, growing crops. Write today's date, 22/9/2020. Let's read the first bit. Read the passage under the things that we get from a farmer. What we get from the farmer, we have to underline that. First we'll read the paragraph, then we'll underline it. Okay. After waking up in the morning, Sana read the newspaper. Then she had breakfast. She drank a glass of milk, ate 2 slices of bread with a banana. She wore a cotton dress and went out. For lunch, she ate 3 rotis, dal, rice and vegetables. Now you can see here some things that are growing crops. Yes, that are things we get from the farmer. What are the things? First we get bread. Yes, we have bread. Bread is made up of wheat. Yes, and banana, fruit. Yes, and cotton. Yes, we have read cotton also will come from the plants. Yes, we'll get cotton. More what? Rotis, dal, rice and vegetable. Underline with the pencil children. Use only pencil, not pen. Write the date with the pencil only. Okay, now let's see the second question. Give 3 reasons why growing crops is an important occupation. Why growing crops is an important occupation? We'll see the answer. A farmer grows crops in the field and earn money by selling them. He'll grow the crops and he'll earn money by selling the crops. We get food from crops like fruits, vegetables, pulses, etc. What are the pulses? Like dal. Food is important for all living things. Yes, food is important for all living things. We are the living things. Yes, write it down, the second answer. Third question. Write about one problem that a farmer faced. What did the farmer face? Any problem? You know any problem? Yes, we have already read in the farmer's life story. What Raghu has faced problems. He don't have enough money to buy the seeds. He don't have the tractor. Yes, he have to depend upon the rainfall for the water. That are the problems farmer will face. We'll write a simple answer. A farmer may not have enough money to buy seeds or may depend on rainfall for his crops to grow. These are the points, children. If you know any other points by reading the paragraph in your reader, you may write the other points also. These are the answers. Complete your workbook, page number 34. Complete your first bit, second bit and third bit as homework, and all, as well as read page number 40, importance of growing crops. Okay children, thank you.